Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to the retro headband and to my channel where we are going to do a rehash, a redo, a retake, a newer video on the Trophy Skin Microderm MD machine. And the reason I'm doing that is because you guys have been asking for this forever. And I've not done it forever because I watched the old video and, there's some stuff in there that I'm like, oh gosh, I wish I would, yeah. But the information, I can't do any better than that video. It still holds true. But I can see how maybe it might be beneficial to see that video done again because I at least do have 1080p now, where I had 720 back then. So this video was first brought to you 3 years ago. It's one of my most popular videos, and I cannot reproduce some of the stuff that's in that video. So I highly suggest that if you are thinking about this for reals, that you still watch that video, because I will not be able to get the amount of grossness off my face that I did in that video. If you guys are the kind of people that like to watch those gross pimple popping videos, you like gross stuff, this would be really mild on the gross scale for you. But on that video, because I took footage after like the first time I ever used the machine, that one has the gross stuff on it, that video. This video is going to show you nothing. When I get done with this, I'm going to take that off and show you there will be nothing to exfoliate. My face is like pretty kept up all the time. But your first time doing it, you will probably get the same results. Now, what we want to know is 3 years later, where am I with this machine? Currently, I am actually being the guinea pig for Trophy Skin on a new item they've got coming out that I don't even know if I'm allowed to say that much. Right? It's top secret. So my use of the Microdermabrasion MD machine, I have been deliberately avoiding using. I don't want to, mess up the results or get them crossed over or anything. I just woke up a little bit ago, and the only thing that I've done is grab the Microdermabrasion machine, go into the bathroom, wash my face, and I've done nothing else to me except put this headband on and sit down in this chair. You guys see my face all the time, so unless you are not subscribed to this channel, and if you're not, hit the button, okay? It's red. Can't miss it. Do that. All right, anyway. So you guys see my face all the time. But I don't normally get up in the camera, but I will for you so that you can take a good look around. All right, so here we go. This my face, up close and personal. I'm dispelling Botox rumors. Nobody's rumoring I have Botox because I think you guys can see I don't. All right, there you be. So that is something that you couldn't have seen in the first video because it was in a much lesser quality video. And no, I don't have the greatest camera now, but I got the best I can afford. Gets the job done. Just like in the other video, I'm going to give you a little tour of this. This one is a little different. It's different color because this is my second unit. Trophy Skin provides a 3-year warranty on your machine. And yes, mine went out because I was playing rodeo with the cords. I know. Just like the other video, I'm going to tell you, I'm not a doctor, an esthetician, or anybody else who knows a lot about skincare. I am not qualified to advise you what you should or should not be doing with your skin. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to be keeping the mirror down a little bit so that you're not distracted by it. It's not like I have a ring light or anything that will cause it to glare at you, but it's distracting to see the distortion of my face while I'm trying to talk to you. There is also an AC adapter that comes with it, and it is plugged in over there because we're going to be demoing this. Inside, over here, you have a little care package, if you will, put together of extra O-rings, which are right here on the end of this in case you should ever need it. I've had this unit and the one before it for a long time, 3 years. Never had to change one, but they're there in case you need it. Comes with a little mini bottle baby bottle brush thing right there to clean the tip with. It comes with the suction And the serum pusher, which I do not use anymore. When I first got this unit, I did. However, I like the Labo, that's ultrasonic scraper, for cleaning out my pores deeply. Okay, that's what I use. So I don't use those two, but it does have this in there. Be careful if you use the blackhead extractor thing to keep it moving. You'll wind up with hickeys. And wool pads that go in the end of this. You also have a diamond head, only one comes with it. And what this is crushed up diamonds. I'm not going to go over with you everything I went over in the other video, like the cost of going and having microdermabrasion done in the office and versus this and stuff like that, because I really kind of still want you to see that video. That video has good information in it. But I do think that you guys deserve to see where I am 3 years later. First, what you do is you take one of the little wool pads and you stick it right there between this and the suction, because you don't want your nasties getting down inside here. It will break your unit. Then put on the diamond head and you are actually ready to go. Turn the power on and then you can select either manual, which it's already on, or you can turn it on auto, which is what we're going to do. So then you would press start and do what it tells you to do. I don't use this anymore. I always use the manual because I'm a tough old bird and my skin's used to this now, but I highly suggest you start here. So I'm gonna press that and do what the screen says. I'm gonna start with the forehead. Hold your skin taut. I do both horizontal and vertical. I like to be right between my eyes. All right, now it will switch and it wants me to come over here. Hold this, hold it taut, because we're messing with delicate eye tissue. If you're losing suction, go slower. If you don't do a good job, you can always do it again. Now move into the cheeks. Hold your skin taut. As you may have guessed, I spend a lot more time over here on this. And this is going to be super duper red when I get done. And it will be for the rest of the day. Tomorrow, it won't be anymore. It'll be back to normal. But see how red that spot's getting? Switched to nose and I didn't know because I wasn't paying attention. Now my nose is kind of bony through here, so I really do have a hard time getting suction on the top of my nose. So you have to be careful doing this. You could get a nose hickey. In the first video I showed you a nose hickey. And I keep having to look because I do my manual. And I don't have these hurry time restraints, but the suction levels are different for different areas. I stay off my lips. Now the neck, I'm going to go right here in the middle, and you'll want to do what this says for your décolleté and neck, but I'm not going to because I'm going to concentrate more here with it. And the reason is because I injured my neck a few months back. I got burned, and I want to lay off of it. I don't want to be scraping on my neck. But for almost 3 years, of course I did that. I'm just going to do what I want. You follow the instructions. I'm going to lay on this over here a little more and right here between my eyes. Now it's probably on the décolleté. Okay, you get the gist of how this works. Okay, if you want to see the full thing, go watch the other video. That's all it got off my skin. But as I said, you're not going to see as much come off on my skin because I have all these tools and I do these things all the time. I almost always do this at night and not during the day. So, you know, my skincare isn't my morning skincare. It's my evening skincare, which would burn. So I don't do that on days that I do this. What I do instead, don't let the title of this fool you. You might go, what? Bee venom? It won't. I don't even know why. I mean, I guess there's bee venom in it, but it doesn't burn at all. This is soothing to me. It is the Snail Bee High Content Essence by Benton. And I love this stuff. I'm almost completely out of this. Let me show you. This is the first thing I do is I take this essence. Oh, there is a little bit left. Yes. And I put that on my skin because I just scraped my face off. And realistically, I would have done a lot more scraping than what I did. I just didn't want this video to go on forever. And like I said, I am using and testing another product for them that I don't want to, you know, mess up those results. So, but normally my face would be redder than this, and this feels really good. There's no need to keep putting it on. But why not? It feels good. So I'm just going to put it down my throat, on my face, under my eyes. Oh, that feels so good. It's so soothing to what I just did to my face. After that, I'm going to get this ready. And I showed you before in other videos that I buy these by like the 100 pack. I grabbed a bunch. I shouldn't have. They're very thin. Okay. They're little sheet masks. You get it wet. And then I take this Milk Moisture lotion and I squirt it all over this mask. Get it all rubbed in really good so it's real good and saturated. And then I put this on my face. You might want to put one of these numbers on to hold it. So now after that is done, I would take that off and my face feels good, but I want to make sure, you know, both of those things, kind of the essence and this moisture milk, help things sink down deeper. And I love that. Just running all around the back of my neck and stuff. And that's where I come in with my CeraVe. I have CeraVe moisturizing cream in a tub, and I use that on the days that I do microdermabrasion. So it feels good. And it provides me with the moisture that I want. And it doesn't burn. And there you have it. When I get up in the morning, I just take my shower, you know, do my face like I normally would and go about my day. And my face feels so soft and exfoliated. And that's all she wrote. If you want more details, like all of the benefits from using this system, you want to see me use the entire system in entirety. You want to see before I started, the 3 years before I started, what led up to this whole thing with them in the first place. I think between this video and the last video, you should have everything you could possibly want to know about at-home microdermabrasion versus going to the office, results. I do want to give you a little note of caution here. This is just my opinion. No one has told me this. This is just what I think. If your skin is really slack and wrinkly, I would say don't use this system. because it is going to really, less powerful are the handheld units that you can buy. Trophy Skin has one. Maybe that would work, but I definitely wouldn't use the Microderm MD on really slack, loose, wrinkly skin. So just saying that. That's just me. Okay, like I said, I'm not a doctor or anything, but I would be careful. Links are below to all of the Trophy Skin products that I use and recommend. I am an affiliate, so I do actually earn a small percentage on anything that you buy from Trophy Skin using my link below. I also have links to other places that like QVC, in case you don't want to do that. You want to go through QVC because it's, you can make payments on it. I get it. So I do have links to that as well. I want to thank you in advance for that. You guys are always so good about clicking my links and buying things to help me, and I appreciate that very, very much. I do want to take this opportunity, though, to dispel. I have gotten more than a couple times now, people have come and asked me about the money that I earned for being the face of Trophy Skin. And if you go to their website, you'll see my mug right up there at the top. I want to tell you, because somebody saw that and I guess figured that I made money for that, which never occurred to me to ask for it. But no, I didn't. Then they went and told. You know what happens? This person tells two people, then this person tells two people, and I didn't make any money for that. Just saying that right from the horse's mouth. Nothing, nada, zero. They asked if they could use it, and I said, sure, why not? And I gave it to them. Okay. Anyway, I hope that you guys still remember, always know that you are the best part of the Fritzy family. And if you're not having a blessed day, please go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya. Bye. And I'm out.
Today we're going to do a Trophy Skin microdermabrasion, what's that called when you do something over again? A regurgitation of things. Microdermabrasion. Next, you guys be asking me for this in 4K. Nobody should ever look at anything in 4K. Serious? Oh my gosh, one time I saw Johnny Depp's nose in Blu-ray. My crush ended like that. No, just kidding. You know what the chances of me affording a 4K camera are? Like this. If you guys are like pimple popping, no, not pimple popping. Are you guys pimple popping people? Pimple popping people. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Peter Piper was a pimple popper. If Peter Piper was a pimple popper, where's the pimple Peter Piper picked? The people that like to watch that Dr. Pimple Pomper stuff, Pomper. Whoa, you look like Pinocchio. Oh, hello. You're a little close. The diamonds are rolling all over the desk. Mary on the desk with diamonds. Mary on the desk with diamonds. Okay, whoops. We have a hanger-oner. It's his best friend. Get off there. I'm sorry, I gotta break your friendship. All right, so here it is. Gosh dang it. I'm gonna have to get rid of that OfferUp app. That I buy these by like the 100 pack. They're really skinny. My, have you lost weight? You're awfully skinny. It's kind of comical watching me do this in a viewfinder, isn't it? Wow, you did a great job, Mary. That's on there so good.